Today we're getting our first look at the new iPhone 17 series with exciting updates on colors, features, and performance improvements. It hasn't been long since the iPhone 16 release, but rumors about the iPhone 17 already promise some incredible upgrades. The iPhone 17 Pro models will introduce a cutting-edge 2nm A19 Pro chipset from Sminx, making Apple the first to adopt this tech. This chipset is expected to deliver a 15% performance increase with the same power consumption, enhancing efficiency across the board. The Pro Max model will feature a new vapor chamber cooling system to improve heat dissipation, which will help the entire iPhone 17 lineup handle more intensive tasks without heating issues. Apple will upgrade all models, including the standard iPhone 17, to a 120Hz Dolpo OLED display. This means no more refresh rate gap between models, with even the rumored iPhone 17 Air or Slim version sporting a 120Hz refresh rate, which will be a relief to fans who've requested this feature for years. The Pro models could see a major shift with an under-display Face ID sensor, reducing or even eliminating the need for the dynamic island. However, Apple may still keep a small punch-hole camera for a near full-screen experience. The Pro models are rumored to have a 48MP periscope camera to improve zoom quality, along with a 24MP upgraded selfie camera. While these improvements are exclusive to the Pro models, they are expected to deliver clearer photos across various lighting conditions. Apple is expected to use its own Wi-Fi 7 chips in the entire lineup, and the Pro models will likely get a boost to 12GB for smoother multitasking. Additionally, rumors suggest that the Pro Max might introduce a unique new action button, which could allow multiple functions based on pressure sensitivity. We may see a new product red color for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, as well as possible titanium finishes in teal or dark green for Pro models. Renders hint at a sleeker design with a full-screen display and a punch-hole camera. The iPhone 17 will start around $850 with a 6.1 OLED display, a 19-chip, 8GB of RAM, and a 600 mAh battery. The iPhone 17 Plus will have a 6.7 display and a 700 mAh battery, starting around $950. The iPhone 17 Pro will offer advanced features, like the 48MP periscope camera, 12GB of RAM, and start around $1,050. Lastly, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be the top-tier model, with a 6.9 display, likely launching at $1,250. With big improvements in display, camera, and internal hardware, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be a solid upgrade. For those with older iPhones or new to Apple's ecosystem, it might be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new information on the iPhone 17 series.